These traditional cups and saucers as well, detailed to the coffee. I had these yesterday, they were beautiful. So good morning from Bahrain, or Bahrain as they say here. So I'm at the Merchant House Hotel in the central district of Bahrain. Fabulous location, gorgeous hotel, very boutique, 5-star. But I'm just about to check out because I'm off to the conference, but I wanted to show you the room first. So we've got the kind of kitchen area, got a lovely fresh brewing coffee machine. You've got drawers with a fridge in, there's alcohol here, which is an additional cost. All of this water, nuts, etc. And then here is your lounge area. We've got the TV area, you've got the sofa, this isn't a balcony, but it is a kind of window to let lots of light in, and then sofa area if you want to just sit down and relax, watch some TV. You can have room service or you can order in. There's an abundance of places to eat and takeaways around here as well. You're literally just at the back of the hotel. It's all the shops and the markets, and so plenty to do if it's just a short couple of nights stop. And then you have the bedroom area, which is here. So I'll just actually carry you in. Here we go. Here we go. Bedroom area. Really comfortable bed. I had the most amazing night's sleep. It was a long day. Although it's a short journey from Doha, it did feel like I'd been on the go all day. So I did get myself a nice early night last night. But anyway, so here is the bedroom. So yeah, another TV if you like to watch movies in bed. And then into the bathroom, which is beautiful. You've got a walk-in shower, vanity area, and obviously toilet area. So 100% this, if you like the boutique style, this is definitely a stay. And in the comments, I will add in some of the price points for you. Not expensive at all. And keep subscribing because I'll be visiting lots of luxury options hotels. Take care for now.